Yeah, this is my day two of transforming Uganda from being inorganic to being organic. Uganda is one of the countries which is blessed with a variety of, I can say, natural substances, organics, the food we eat, and everything. So Uganda is very natural. As you can see, it is evergreen. This is maize. These are it's called intercropping with the beans. That is the banana plantation, like that, everywhere. So these are gooseberries, that plantation there. These are nuts. So Uganda is one of the countries which is blessed with a variety of resources, not just in natural, but also actually sometimes I wonder why we are becoming so inorganic. When there's someone the old days taking things which are just manufactured from the industry, yet we have a variety. So this is a move I'm starting as the executive director of Data Lab to making Uganda organic. The question is, how can we be organic? Being organic just means taking carbon in our body as something which is created by nature, by God, not just manufactured by man. So you have a variety, and find some of us now prefer taking refined food, some of those stuff. But have organic matoke is there. Someone whose farm is there with matoke. You have pineapples. You have maize, nuts, of which you can take a day and get the nutrients. So the question you should always ask yourself that if I'm going to take a certain substance or a food, which mineral am I gaining from it? Get it? If you're taking soda, for example, which mineral are you getting or which nutrients are you getting after taking soda? If you find that there's no mineral or nutrient you're gaining, the easiest thing or the advice is always to drop it. So, but for most cases, as Ugandans or people, don't ask that question. For us, we just take. We always consider the sweetness, but we wonder what causes that sweetness in a certain drink. Get it? So that's the question always should ask yourself: how can we make the world uh, organic? God created everything; it was organic, but you are making it so much inorganic. So this is my move. I want to I want to start it with me, and starting also with all my followers and subscribers here on my YouTube channel on how we can make the country organic for sure. And I'm going to start with the cherry tomatoes. I planted them yesterday. I think those who have been following these episodes, you saw the video I took when I was explaining about the cherry tomatoes. These are the small tomatoes in Uganda. They're called Obunyanyo Butono. Very organic, no spraying from the beginning to the ripening stage. No spraying, no chemicals. Get it? So I want us to start using such tomatoes, and also this the food you are taking. You have to ask yourself: is it inorganic? Is it organic? Now that's the banana plantation. This is maize. No spraying. These are nuts. And Nganda ya mutaka. I don't know how it's called in English. Also there. These are gooseberries. Very nutritious. Very nutritious. So that's why I'm always telling you that let us move from being inorganic to being organic. This is a food transformation I'm starting. Yeah, this is a drive I'm starting. Uganda is very blessed for sure. So ask yourself, how many nutrients, how many fruits have I taken in a day? Find someone, we are in Uganda, but someone has taken years minus eating a jackfruit. Someone has taken decades minus eating sugarcane. So those are nutrients, those are the fruits you should eat. Ask yourself, what am I, which nutrients am I eating? If I eat this, if I eat this. So those are the things sometimes we say that the best medicine is always the food we eat. So the body always processes the food we eat. So we never become so much inorganic. That's why sometimes in most cases we find having those complicated diseases extract from exactly, of course, the food we eat. So this is a move I'm starting. So don't forget to follow this channel, because I want to change your life for sure. I want to change your life. So to be following, make sure you subscribe, you follow, you like, share with your friends, they follow this channel. Let it grow. And this is one of the ways I can use this platform to change the world, because the world now is very digital. There's no need of me moving from door to door, but this information can pass through this channel and everything. So you spread the news to everyone. So very soon I'll be starting producing these gooseberries around Kampala. Yeah, so yeah, I'll explain the nutrients behind why you should take gooseberries every day. I also start producing the cherry tomatoes around Kampala and all other towns around. So don't forget to support for sure. Support this drive. It is for your own good for sure, and also your friend and your friend and your friend. Yeah, thanks very much for watching. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.